back with another one back. So today ngifuna sithethe South Africa. You know, I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. Just quick. Fellow South Africans. I think title is out. Fellow South Africans. So let's talk about South Africa. South Africa. Sitting ngumzansi yabona as a whole. So where we sisukaphi ezilizwe siyaphi ezilizwe. I think sayazi basukaphi ezilizwe. There's no need for me to elaborate. But let's just focus on the future. First thing first. Tribalism asibeke ecaleni lona. Wena ngumZulu manje ngixhosa ngumSotho nentoni. Matter of fact is you are African. I am African. He is African. She is African. Lamzulu kum-Afrika, lamXhosa kum-Afrika, lamTswana kum-Afrika, lamVenda kum-Afrika, lamChangana kum-Afrika ngabengoma. But ke yeah, that's my point. So tribalism ayingabikho. Let's put first Africa. Africans first, South Africa, but Africa and Azania. Kuthiwa ibiza Azania ngosho. But let's put the country first. Singama Africa. Sakwenza ntoni singama umuntu ngathi uqeda. Sakwenza ntoni singama Africa. Wandisa izwe lethu. Uba izwe lethu liye ku develop but libe developed. Senza ntoni singama South Africans manithethe ilizwe ke ngani ufuna uya broader to Africa uba reduce poverty. We must. We have a right to complain about Orania because especially due to history. But imang Orania for now. Let's focus on us. Let's build our townships into something big. Let's reduce crime to our townships. How can we do that? How can we do that? How can how can? But let's have more fruitful conversation instead of stupid conversation and debates. Yabo. But amakhasi njani? Yabona, I'm sure in average township there are about 7 shippings, yabo. Like mine, so let's reduce shippings and taverns. In place of those taverns and shipping, let's build people that are distracting me from outside. Instead of those 7 taverns, let's build something beneficial. New jobs, new restaurants in townships, like things from town can come into townships. That's us developing our townships. One shipping is fine, one club is fine, then there's black businesses are doing business people all over. Agriculture is very underrated. Agriculture is important because you eat food whether sukapho kokuke agriculture. So xa ndithi agriculture khona agriculture yenkomo, khona agriculture yokutya. 6 no 9 7 no 8 ziyafana because le nkomo ixhalayo yintoni agriculture nayo ayilinywa but iyafuya, yabo. Le spinach esityayo yintoni agriculture because ayilinywa. So agriculture is important. I know technology is important nayo. Don't technology and don't science how but agriculture because ngoku yakhe yabona ngoku lambile uzaphinda uyotya, yabo. Utyile breakfast wakhe lunch ngoku ke inyama nantoni, yabo. Sendizimzekelo ne-veg ne-spinach nee-fruit ezimanisibhreka ngazo. It's agriculture. So makulinywe madoda, makulinywe because we wanted land lesiyifumene. So masenze something impactful with that land. Let's lima, yabo. If you don't lima, build your house, no problem. No, not everyone has to be a farmer, yabo, but I just want agriculture because okhokho nokhokokazi bethu belima kakhulu. So let's just try, yabo. Nathi gcwala umlimi, yabo. Xa ujika apha lekona lo mzini uyalima, khapha uyalima. Sancipha la webo ke sathenga ngokupha emsini, qonda. We will have our own food independence, yabo. Uzayisho mhlawumbe ethenga nje into ezimnandi but ayazi uba veg, I have veg. Uba nayo veg, umakhelwane unayo veg, yabo. Veg, inyama, inkomo ikhona, but not okoko lufana uma uthenga she noko keep economic goal. But for wena izawunciphisa phi ezipokothweni. So let's think about it. Agriculture. Let me make a video about agriculture, bro. Dango.